So if you've spent an appreciable time with the Gospels, you certainly notice that there are differences in the way they report things. So for example, at Jesus' baptism, did God's voice from heaven say, "You are my beloved Son, in whom I'm well pleased, and you I'm well pleased"? He's speaking directly to Jesus. Or did the voice say, "This is my beloved Son, with him I am well pleased," speaking to the crowd? So what's to explain the difference? Is it like a gospel according to the Ebionites where it says, well, God said both to them? Or are we to think that maybe Matthew changed it? What are we to think about these things? Or what about you read about Jairus? He comes to Jesus in one gospel he says, "My daughter is about to die. Please come heal her." But in another gospel he says, "My daughter is dead. Please come heal her." Well, what are we to do about that? Or, in Luke's gospel, you have when Jesus is on the cross, the temple veil splits in half prior to his death. But in Matthew's gospel, it splits in half after Jesus' death. And how many people are at the tomb? And, by the time you get through seeing all these, a lot of people are thinking, say it ain't so. I just can't. What am I to do with all this? Well, guess what? In this study, Jesus Contradicted, we're going to tackle this head on. We're going to look at some things that you may not have considered before, and we're going to show some realistic explanations on why these differences exist. If you've seen discrepancies in how the Gospels report the same things and it's troubled you, or if you have a friend or relative who have seen these things and it's troubled them, and you'd like some real answers to these, then I encourage you, join me in this study, Jesus Contradicted. We'll have a good time together.